Good morning guys, in front of me is TCL 501 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button and hold it. Keep holding. And once you see the logo, you can remove finger from power button. Within a couple of seconds your device will be rebooted and you will be able to use it smoothly again. And that's it, now unlock your device and use it smoothly. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.